Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to look at the 3 things that took me from £2,500 per month to £25,000 a month. You know, ish, bit of clickbait there, kind of near. It's actually about 20,000, but still a lot of money. Before we do, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave any questions down below, and smash that like button for the video. Now, let's get into it straight away. Now, the OG subscribers, right? You OG subscribers, kind of 50, 100 subs, 500 subs maybe. You guys will recognize where we are, okay? You'll know this room. This is where it all started. This is where the whole thing started. You know, back in April, May last year. This is where I recorded most of my YouTube videos, literally standing like this. So I thought I'd do a homage to the OG subscribers and the old YouTube channel and actually do this video here because today I'm going to talk about literally the 3 things that I believe personally are the most important things if you want to be successful. So if you want to be successful, then honestly just do these 3 things and you'll be successful. I can put my hand on heart and say you will be successful if you do these 3 things, okay? And if you're not, then you are doing something wrong, okay? You are doing something wrong. There's no other way to say it, okay? Now, if you guys don't know me, if you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. I started my journey to online entrepreneurship on the 28th of April 2017. I'd been an entrepreneur, you know, ish in the past. I'd never had a successful business. I've had businesses in the past, but never had the success where I could actually earn a living from my company, and that was always what I wanted to do. In April, I started my YouTube channel. I started to document my journey to becoming an online entrepreneur, and that's when everything changed for me. And the last year has been a complete roller coaster, and my income is it's increased by 10 times. 10 times. It's absolutely mental, and I never thought it would be that way, but it is that way. So I want to explain to you guys how you can do the same thing, okay? This isn't a tutorial or anything like that. This is just purely some advice, and it's more motivation as well. So let's go over the first thing, okay? Now, a little disclaimer, guys, nothing that I tell you today is going to be news to you. It's not going to be information you're going to be like, oh my god, that's an epiphany. This is just going to be cutting through all the bullshit that you hear and telling you what actually matters and what actually makes a difference. And the first thing is taking action, okay? Doing something. You hear me talk about this all the time. If you subscribe to me and you watch all my videos, you know I talk about this, that all you have to do to be successful is do things that make you successful. So mimic other people's success, find a mentor, you know, what did they do, how have they generated the success, just do the same thing as that they've done, do it in your own way, but take action, okay? You're never going to be successful, and again, hand on heart, I can say this, you will never be successful if you don't take action. You will never, you know, be able to drive a Ferrari if you don't do things that will allow you to buy a Ferrari, okay? You'll never be able to go on those extra holidays, you know, and be able to go to really nice places and afford it unless you do things that will allow you to afford it. So taking action is super important, and for me, taking action was deciding and making the active decision to start up my YouTube channel and do something that I'd never done before. Start up in business, you know, I started on Amazon and doing something where I had to spend money on something. I had to spend a lot of money on it. And for me, that action was super important. And since I bought that first shipment, since I did that first video, got my first affiliate commission, all those kind of first time things, then my life has changed because you understand that it's real, okay? Once you do something and there's an effect, you understand that it's real. I've helped many people understand the importance of taking action, and I've seen them go through an incredible journey of being, you know, worried about what people will think, you know, worried about not having the right information and right knowledge, worried about failing, and then taking action, getting results, and being like, oh my god, why was I ever worried about this in the past? Why did I even ever care? Like, why? What was I thinking, basically? What was I thinking? So, and if you ask anyone that's taken action, that even has a tiny level of success, then if you ask them what, you know, how important was taking action, they will say it was the most important thing that they did was to take action, okay? Now, if that is you, leave a comment down below and tell us about, tell everyone else about your own journey and how important that first step was, because although you're probably watching this video and you're watching it because you subscribe to me, but I know a lot of people that watch my videos have taken action and have had incredible results. So I want you to share them with all the other viewers, because it's going to give everyone a lot of encouragement to start their own journey. And I want to make people rich, right? I want to make people a lot of money, because like that, I'm going to get the most gratification from doing that. So if you guys can do the same thing, leave a comment down below with your journey. And at least if one person decides to take action from your comment, and they then get the level of success that they want in the future, that could potentially be down to you. So do it right now. While we're doing this video, leave a comment right down below, okay? Now, the second thing is kind of tied in together with taking action, but it's this counterpart. It's the other side of the coin. It's, you know, oh look, you can see me in the reflection. Is that me? Yeah, that's me. Who else would it be? Stupid. Basically, it's the counterpart to taking action, and it's consistency. So, for example, let's look at a few different business models. Let's look at Amazon FBA. If you look for products for half an hour, and then so you've taken action, great, I'm looking for products, but then you never look again, you're never going to find one. Okay, you're not going to be successful at Amazon if you don't stay consistent with product research. Social media marketing. Okay, if you go and do a cold call, or you go and try and approach a business and you get knocked down. And you get up again, but you don't stay consistent with it, then guess what? You're not going to be successful. So you need to stay consistent. Affiliate marketing, you do an affiliate marketing blog post and it gets no traction, but then you stop doing it. You're never going to be successful because you haven't stayed consistent. Like YouTube is a great example. Doing one YouTube video, cool, you might have one that pops, gets loads of views, but if you don't stay consistent, you're never going to be like a full-time YouTuber. You're never going to be able to generate income from it. You'll never be able to get good at it because you're not staying consistent. So if you take action, if you're doing that one thing, fantastic, well done for taking action. If you're not staying consistent, what the hell is the point of taking action in the first place if you're not going to follow through? So that is the second thing, stay consistent. For me, it's something that I hold a lot of weight on staying consistent. So with YouTube, for example, I do a video every single day, and you guys, if you're a YouTuber or if you do YouTube videos or whatever, you're going to understand how just incredibly draining that is on time, on coming up with ideas. It's the thing that takes up the majority of my day. Like, my personal brand is the thing that takes up most of my time, so answering questions and stuff like that. Now, staying consistent for me is one of the most important things that I have to do. Like taking action, consistency, and the third thing we're going to talk about is something that I think about on a daily basis. Now, I know that if I didn't upload a YouTube video tomorrow, the world's not going to end. Like, my YouTube channel's going to be okay. Like, do you know what? It's not going to be a massive detriment to my brand. However, if I don't upload for a month, that's going to be a problem, okay? That is going to be a problem. I'll lose all the YouTube juice watch time, and it'll go down, and I won't be able to take advantage of all of the uploads that I uploaded daily over the past 3 months, okay? So you see what I mean? Consistency is so important. Consistency, you know, even if it's 3 times a week, it's better than doing it 3 times a week than doing it once every blue moon, okay? So stay consistent, make sure that you get to that point where you feel uncomfortable to not be consistent. I'm at that point now where if I don't have a YouTube video planned, I get uncomfortable. I feel worried about, what am I going to record? What am I going to do? Like, I'm going away in a few days' time. I'm very much worried about, am I going to be able to record and upload daily content? And the reason being is uploading daily content has become habitual for me. It's something I've done so many times that I feel uncomfortable. I physically feel uncomfortable if I don't do it. So you need to get into the same position, right? If you have a social media marketing company and you are not getting clients, okay? You need to be at that point where it's uncomfortable for you to not pick up the phone or go out and whatever the hell it may be. I don't do that sort of stuff, but going and getting clients must be your bread and butter. It's got to be the thing that you love doing, right? If it's Amazon, you've got to love finding products and researching and reaching out to suppliers. You've got to love the negotiation, and you've got to do it so much that if you don't do it, you feel uncomfortable that you're not doing it. If it's affiliate marketing and making videos for affiliate marketing, for tutorials and product reviews and stuff like that, don't just do it once and then never do it again. Continue to do it to the point where if you don't do one every week or one every month or whatever it may be, you feel uncomfortable, you feel like you're letting yourself down. That's when you know that you have got a habit, and when your consistency is at a peak level, okay? Now, the third thing, right? The third thing is these are all, I don't know if one is more important than the other, but they are all of the things I think of most, okay? These are the things I really, really, really care about. The third thing is helping other people. Now, this has completely changed my life, okay? It goes along with taking action and staying consistent, but helping other people, if you start doing this, you're gonna find that you're gonna get a level of success that you never thought was possible, okay? Helping other people is, first of all, so gratifying for yourself, right? I've been doing like teaching for a while. I've done it. I used to teach guitar to like kids. I used to teach people at work. I used to be a trainer. And you know, through YouTube I teach people. The reason I love to do that is because it's gratifying. It's something that I really thoroughly enjoy doing, because you get messages, I get people like emailing me, you know, when I'm on the phone to people saying thank you and like you've changed my life. Don't underestimate how powerful, how incredibly powerful that is. And even if it's like when you hold the door open for someone, okay, I know this is stupid, but when you hold the door open for someone and they say thank you, like, oh yeah, it's my pleasure, because you love helping people, right? If you're that sort of person and you hold the door open for someone, you like helping people. You like, I know that's a stupid example, but it's a very, very kind of lifestyle example. So you don't have to have a personal brand for this. People will have this misconception that you have to have a personal brand to be able to help people. That's just not true, okay? All you have to do is just give your advice, okay? Be available for people when they ask questions. So if you are successful at Amazon, if you are successful at affiliate marketing or personal branding or social media marketing or like online e-commerce or anything like that, then, you know, operate in Facebook groups. You know, be available to people on Instagram or on YouTube or whatever the hell you want, so that you can go and help other people. And that's going to do a couple of things. Let's do a few things. First of all, it's going to make you feel amazing, right? Helping other people is just the best way to feel great about what you're doing. The second thing is it's going to increase your network. And everyone always says your network is your net worth, right? The more networking you have, hopefully the more that you can make in the future, because you're going to meet people that have a completely different background to yourself. They're going to know things that you don't know. They're going to have connections that you don't have, and that's going to be really valuable for you in the future. Maybe not now, but in 10 years time, you never know where it could lead to. And the other thing is that then if you are actively helping people out, people are going to come to you for support. And if you want to become the expert in something, if you want to be the go-to person, you have to help people first. You have to go out there and say, I'm willing to help you, I want to help you, I'm approachable, this is what I know, this is what I can help you with. And then eventually you're going to have people coming to you because they've realized that you're helping other people. So, and again, with those, take action, do it, and stay consistent with it. Don't just help help someone on one comment on a Facebook video or a Facebook comment and then never do anything again and say, well, I've helped people, that's me done. Do it, do it every day, do it every week, consistently do it, and you're going to see your life change drastically just by doing that one thing, okay? Now, those three things, again, taking action, staying consistent, and helping other people, like I said, I personally believe are the three real points, the real things, the real tangible things that I did that has completely changed my life and allowed me to go from earning $2,500, not even that, something that's £2,000 a month, right? Let's say $2,500 a month, working a 9-to-5 job, which wasn't even 9 to 5, it was like 7 till 9, right? So it was like stupidly long hours and it was horrible. And it allowed me to quit that within 2 months of starting, and now to this point, last month it was something like £21,000. This month will be around the same, if not more. It's mental, and I can't imagine what next year is going to be like. January, February 2019, if I can continue to take mad action, stay consistent, and continue to help more people, I know that figure is going to go up, okay? It's just a formula that is tried and tested. It's not something that I'm inventing. It's not something that someone else has invented. It's just something that works. So for you guys, if you're watching this video and you're feeling pumped, you're like, yes, I want to do it, I'm going to go like help other people, I'm going to take mad action, I'm just going to stay consistent, go and do it today, right? Don't wait until tomorrow, think, okay, I'm going to start on Monday, for example. Like, I'm going to start next week, I'm going to start at the beginning of March. Why the hell would you wait? Start today, because for every day that you don't do what you want to do, you are costing yourself potentially hundreds, thousands, and in actual money, like pounds, dollars, whatever, but also you're costing yourself, time. It's the opportunity cost, right? By not doing it, what are you costing yourself? What if you were to take action today, you were to meet someone tomorrow that completely changed your outlook on what you were doing and helped you to kind of take that next step? That could be incredible. You could completely change your life. However, if you don't do it, if you never have reached out to that person, you never tried to help it, you never tried to take action, you're never going to know that person. So, or you're never going to know that bit of information that you need, or learn the piece of information, whatever that you needed. So the cost of not doing something is not just intrinsic, it's not just the money that you're going to get back from it, it's the experiences that you're going to miss out on, it's the network that you're going to miss out on. So don't just sit there watching these videos, and I love you guys watching these videos, I really truly do, but if you're someone that watches the videos and you're thinking, you're a bit demotivated, you want to take action, you want to do all these things, but you just don't know where to start, today, do something about it. Like, if you need to put your money where your mouth is, buy a course, pay for mentorship, buy a book. Like, some people pay for stuff to take action, and I personally do the same thing. If I'm going to do something, I pay for it because I know I'm going to take action on it, because I don't want to waste my money. So if that's you, just do that. If that's starting up a YouTube channel, or starting a product research for Amazon, or doing your first affiliate marketing website, why wait until tomorrow or next week or next month or next year? Do it today. Do it right now after you've watched this video. Doesn't matter how small it is. If it's literally like you want to get started on YouTube, go and open a YouTube account. Start it right now. Go onto YouTube right now. Start up an account. If it's a blog, then go onto Wix websites or whatever websites you want to use and create an account. Actually physically do something today that your future self is going to thank you for. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, and of course leave any questions, comments down below. Make sure you subscribe with the notifications turned on. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.